Don't listen to him. Fun for the kids too. He should be banned. He wins it all the time.
Yeah, he can do it, but he can't win. We let him do it, but he can't win.
Yeah. Yeah, because he was like winning them like back to back to back.
He won anyway.
All right, Savage. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Beautiful, beautiful. Now that I like. Alright. So that's what I'm talking about right there. Those speakers are low profile. That is, it looks like Mike's bike. But oh, that is freaking awesome. It's okay. I need to talk to the owner of this bike. Got cut seat and all that good stuff. Looks good, man. Looks real good. Real good. That very clean, very clean. That's the best setup I've ever seen. And I've seen others, but it just, when I looked, it had to take a second look because it's just so flush. It's so clean.
I asked the guy, because I had originally, I had a slightly smaller speaker.
Okay.
It was right on this.
Oh, okay.
And it was still tucked.
Right.
So I saw these and it was like, all right, it's a couple, maybe like 2 more watts.
Right.
Shoot, let me try that out.
Yeah.
And then I told the guy, I said, look, I need it cut into there.
Right.
I can't, it's not going to look right.
Now, did you, I saw somebody on the Facebook page for ZX14 owners, and a guy, he makes these. Like, he fabricates them to your liking if you want them. I had a guy, he has them down here, but this is the best setup. I would put that on my bike, 100%.
I had, are you familiar with places in Delaware?
Delaware? No, but I mean, I need to link up with you. Yeah. Gotta look, because my whole Predator helmet thing, like, he got the blades and all that. And that's where... Yeah, that's my little gimmick, but man, and it sounds good, nice and throaty.
Yeah, I still got both.
Yeah, woo. Bro, well done, man. Well freaking done. All right, thank you for letting me check this out, man. Little history lesson, folks. I had a bigger version. I had a 500. That was my very first bike, and I had played around with it. But that, if you go back in the archives of my old YouTube videos, you'll see it on there. Yeah, so came a long way. Just had some fond memories, some good stuff. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Decent turnout. I came a little later, and I thought my people were gonna be out here, but they got the slow races going on over there. Shout out to Leo, Jay, and the rest of the crew, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.